Hi, it's Allison.
And Jennifer.
And we're AJ & Co. We're so happy you guys are here with us for another video. Today we're going to be making some Mother's Day crafts. It's right around the corner, so we wanted to show you some simple crafts that you can make to surprise that special mom in your life.
Yay, moms! What's first, Allison?
All right, the first one we're going to make is this cute little trinket box. And we thought you could use this box for recipe cards, or if you wanted to put some sweet notes to your mom in there and just let her open it. This box was actually from Walmart in their craft section. And the box, it was very inexpensive. It was actually $1.50, so it was on clearance. So we just painted it out. I kind of wanted a creamy white, so I went ahead and mixed that. It's just a white with some brown mixed into it. And then we thought we would make some of these cute felt flowers. We actually bought these from Amazon. They came in a multi-pack, and they were a wool blend felt 3D rose spring variation pack, because we kind of like the colors that were in that one. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to kind of put these flowers together. They come like this, if you can see. We're just kind of like that. And so most important point, we made some paper flowers in one of our previous videos and we rolled them wrong. So this time we're going to show you, make sure you start on the end. That doesn't necessarily look like it should be the end you start on.
Right.
So you're going to start on this and you're just going to roll it around. And I think if you wanted to do it smaller, you could maybe roll a little tighter. If you wanted to do it larger, maybe do a little looser.
Yep.
One of the flowers that I went ahead and made, I really wanted it bigger than what they provided, so I took two of these pieces that were the same color and actually rolled them together, kind of put it end to end and rolled it together, so that way I would make a bigger flower. And I'll show you which one that one is when we're putting them on our thing.
And these really came in a very small size, but they have them on all different sizes on Amazon. Just our box was small, so I didn't want to get like a 5-inch flower unless you just want one flower on the top of your box.
Okay, so we rolled it up. Then there's this little tabby thing on the end here, and so we're going to hot glue that to the bottom with our hot glue gun. And just kind of press that into place. And there you go. There's your little flower. So very simple. Again, like I said, if you want to make it a little bigger, you want it a little smaller, you could roll it a little tighter. Just really what your preference is. So I went ahead and rolled some flowers here, and I'm going to show you. I thought these bigger ones, this is the one that I put two together with, and I thought these bigger ones looked nice with a little something in the middle to kind of separate them from the other flowers that we had. So I went ahead and did that, and then we are just going to kind of hot glue them.
Do you want to audition them first?
Yeah, I had these placed, so now I'm not sure if I'm going to get them back in the right thing. So move them around. Like Jennifer said, it's best if you can kind of see how you like them before you glue them down.
I always audition my stuff first.
So, and then I went ahead and we had some green felt, so I wanted some little flower leaves to go with this, so I went ahead and cut these out, just a little vine. I also cut out some other ones that were just kind of big. I didn't really like those as much. I was trying to kind of stick it out a little bit, so it was. And again, just kind of your preference how you want these on here. And then we also have this cute little mom tag. These are little wooden tags. Did you get these from?
They came from Amazon.
Amazon too.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, and then we use the Cricut, of course, but you could easily do that with a Sharpie marker. Just write mom on there, or sister, or whoever you really want to give this, that special mom friend, whoever you wanted to give it. And then we're just gonna kind of tuck that underneath there. So basically, when we glue it down, that's how it's gonna look.
All right, glue it down.
All right. So again, good idea to audition it, because you might want to move something around, and you can pick the flowers that you think your mom would like, her favorite colors, something like that. Stick that little tag, and you could tie this tag on here if you wanted. I mean, you don't have to hot glue it down if you wanted it kind of loose. And then the good thing about this is if you wanted to take it off later, just pop it off and you can do something else with this box.
Yep.
I do apologize. I am suffering with allergies, much like everybody else in this country right at this time. So you have to excuse my voice every once in a while. All right, so cute, very simple. It was $1.50 for the box, and I think the flowers were
might have been $5.
$5, and we have plenty more for other projects.
Yes.
And then this cute little tag. And again, like I said, it's perfect size for a recipe box if you want to put recipe cards in there, or if you just want to put some little sweet notes to your mom, and she can take them out when she wants to. So I think that was a great project.
Nice. Okay guys, so we have another project for Mother's Day, and this one's for grandma, or in my case for my children, for mama. And what we're gonna make is a cute little plaque that's got this best mama ever decal on it, and then some pretty paper flowers along the bottom. So let's get started.
Where did you get that board for that?
This is just a piece of board that I actually had left over from a previous project. It's actually a piece of floor underlayment that you would use if you were putting down carpet and stuff like that. So it's the perfect thickness for this kind of thing. It's not overly heavy, so you can, you know, hang this thing just about anywhere. It's not gonna mess anything up. And again, I just took my Cricut that my wonderful husband bought me, and I have cut out this little decal. And I'm just gonna kind of center it as best I can. I will tell you, sometimes when you're dealing with raw wood like this stuff, the vinyl might not always want to stick as best, and if you have good handwriting, you could just as easily take a marker and write this on here.
Yep, I would say this would be a perfect project for a paint marker if you wanted to try to do that, and just write it on there if you didn't have a Cricut.
So I'm just taking my ball that I've used in videos before. I love this thing. I'm just kind of using it to go over this decal and really press these vinyl clings down into this wood, because like I say, sometimes with the wood, it does not want to adhere as well as you might want it to. If this wood had some paint on it, it might stick a little better, but I don't know, we just kind of really liked this natural color, and I think my mom will really like that too. So
yeah, because you could also paint this out, like she was saying. If you didn't like the natural wood color, you could put a little bit of white on there. We found this pavement color that was kind of a creamy white that you could put on the board, but I'm partial to the natural wood myself, so we went with this.
let's see if we're gonna have any luck peeling this off. None of us are perfect. Why should our crafts be?
That's right.
All right, so there's that. Pretty easy to do. And I cut out some flowers. I actually had a little die cut thing. I was able to come in and cut out these paper flowers. I really wanted to make felt flowers, but I'm still kind of learning that. So I thought I'd better, when I put them down, I'm gonna put them down as a set. So let me place my flowers first, and then I'll come back and I'll tuck these up underneath. And I'm just gonna use my glue gun. You could use a glue adhesive dot or anything like that would work also. That's actually how these are layered together. These are individual pieces that are kind of layered in together. You can kind of put this
And
one.
we made in a previous video paper flowers as well, but they were the rolled flowers, much like the felt flowers. So really it's your preference if you like these, the ones that Jennifer made like this, or if you wanted to do the rolled flowers. You could really do anything.
Get it on here just like I want it. Kind of like that, I think. And I'll come back in, and like I say, I'll kind of make these look like a set, like maybe one leaf is over top and one is down below. I'll just come back up under the edge of this and put some glue in there. I don't know why today I'm acting like I've never used a glue gun before. My board's moving everywhere.
Some days are like that.
It's been a struggle. The struggle is real, people. The crafting struggle is real. got our little flowers in. You can kind of see how it looks now. And we're gonna come back and we're gonna take some wooden beads and we're gonna lace them all across this and make a cute little hanger top. So let's do that next. So there we've got those on, and Allison's going to tie it off to finish our hanger. There you go, take it away. And there we go, guys. So we've got a cute little grandma sign and a mom box. This could say mama or grandma too. So
or this could say best mom ever. It's really your preference. Again, I mean, these projects are interchangeable. You could do what you want to do, but they're literally took us maybe 10 minutes to put these together, and we can act like we gave this to her. We can give this to our mom, and we spent, I don't know, an hour making it.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.